The reality is, every day 7 people lose their lives to home fires. But the good news is that there's hope.
We all are focused on the fire safety, and the Sound the Alarm initiative is a natural extension of this mission that we have together. And it makes such a difference in our communities and for our employees who are able to serve on this important mission for both of us.
Sometimes the barriers in our community is, 1, people don't know what they don't know. And 2, if they're focused on basic needs or other priorities, oftentimes something like a smoke alarm might be the last thing that they're thinking of. They're thinking of how they're putting food on the table, how they're meeting their job and professional requirements, how they're taking care of their kids. So by getting out of the community and really helping to educate people that having a smoke alarm, once you have it, you can set it and forget it, and it'll be the best investment and the smallest thing you can do to keep your family safe.
It's often said that safety begins at home, and Evanston is the home for ULRI and ULSE. So this was a really exciting opportunity to serve the community and promote safety around where we work every day.
It's amazing to see people give their time to make sure everyone has what they need to stay safe.
Collaborating on the Sound the Alarm initiative with the American Red Cross really is a way of honoring our legacy around fire safety.
The thing that was really interesting to me was just the diversity of the people we were able to help out today. There was an older woman who lives in a large house on her own, and just needed that little extra bit of help to make sure that smoke alarms were in the right place. And then there was another family in a different apartment that had smoke alarms, but they weren't all in the right place or weren't all installed in the most ideal fashion. So that was a big surprise to me. It's just the number of ways that we were able to help people.